Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just had my birthday. I am now 20 years old and birthdays mean gifts, so I got some beautiful Mehron face paints and I'm super excited to use them today. My mom got them for me. She got the basic one, which is what I asked for this look specifically, and she also got me the metallic one just for fun. So yeah, I'm probably going to try to incorporate both of them today, but definitely going to be using the basics for this Mother Nature look. I've tried to film this once before with other face paints that I got from Spirit Halloween, but they just were not performing the way that I would have liked them to, and I know that if I try to do the whole look with them, it would not have made me very happy. Okay, I already have my eyebrows done and I toned my face, so now I'm going to prime my face using my Benefit Professional Primer. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly do my eyes first. If you've seen my rainbow half-cut crease look, it is the same look there, so I'm just going to quickly do that. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on that look, go check out that old video. I believe it's like a year old now. Priming with my MAC Soft Ochre paint palette, like always. So for this look, the last color is yellow, and how I want to do the face paint, I'm going to have yellow be right where my eyebrows kind of are, so I'm just going to carry this all the way up to my eyebrow. Time to cut the crease. I'm going to take my pinky and blend the foundation or concealer. I use foundation because it's easier for me to work with. And just take my pinky and blend it in with that outer corner. So looking back at my look, I actually used pink instead of red, or maybe I used both, but I'm going to use pink, blending out this purple into the yellow on the lid. I'm actually going to put gold where I put the yellow as well. I'm so proud of how this came out, like, the depth. A1. Alright, that means this looks gonna turn out good if we're off to a good start like this, but we're not gonna jinx it? No. Not gonna jinx it. Now I'm going to prime my lower lash line and do the green and blue portion. Alright, it's fine that it's messy because the rest of the face makeup is going to tie into the blue and everything. Okay, now for the part we've all been waiting for, the Mehron face palette. There's some different ways I could go about this. I have to make my own purple. Not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I do have some pink palettes right here. I'm gonna grab a little flat brush, dip it into some water, and then dip into the blue paint and see what happens. I'm just going to put the blue around the top of my face. I also shaved my face, like my forehead and my sideburn, jawline area, just so these can really just stick to my skin. I'm really happy with the opacity of these. The pigment. I think it's time. I drew a picture really fast because I've had this look in mind for such a long time, but I just didn't really know exactly how I wanted to execute it, and today I was just like, I'm gonna do it, slapped a piece of paper down and grab some markers. So here's our concept. The waterfall mouth aspect was inspired by Danny Mara Makeup, but her video was like super short. I don't know if she has a longer video somewhere else, but I also saw another girl do it, Queen Kira, and her video was longer and more of a tutorial kind of aspect, but yeah. the sun and the moon are obviously like the tides and the warmth of the earth, and then I have the third eye here, that's a galaxy, like seeing all kind of eye. Let's see if I can execute it how I want to. But since you've seen the concept art, you have a feel of what I'm going to be doing, so I'm just going to stop talking now and speed things up. I should have done the sun and eye first, shouldn't I? I think just so I don't mess with this area anymore, I'm going to take the white face paint and just fill this all in with that. Look at how opaque that white is. Oh, I love it. Now I'm going to take a teeny tiny brush and dip into the orange face paint and make little triangles around our sun. Okay, I think I made a pretty good purple. It is definitely a very warm tone purple, but it'll work. Now I'm going to switch to red. Now I'm going to take the orange brush and dip it in a little bit of water and then try to blend the orange and the red together where they meet. Ooh, look at that blend. Alright, I'm very happy with that blend. I'm going to go into the yellow paint now and do it all right around here where we did the eyeshadow. And this yellow is actually going to be our highlighting color, so I'm going to just drag this. We'll take our orange eyeshadow brush and just like make it not so harsh, I guess, blend it a little bit better into the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to make my skin color, which is going to be green for all of it. But as you can see, the green in the palette is super, super dark, so I'm going to try to do like I did with the purple and mix it with the yellow and maybe some white, so I'm going to do that really fast. Okay, I think I made a pretty good green color. Ooh, yeah. We're trying to make it match the green on the lower lash line, so if you're creating this look yourself, that's the kind of green that you'd want to match. Now that I am a lovely shade of Shrek green, I'm going to blend this in with the yellow, as well as highlight my face with this yellow. Alright, now I'm going to attempt to contour using that dark green color. Now with the brown face paint, I'm going to make some trees along my jawline. Try a little Bob Ross pine tree. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. It's okay though. I'm going to make some rivers, like tears, because you know, we're killing the planet slowly. For the blue part, I'm going to make some tear rivers, which will go down into my mouth, which will do the waterfall, so I'm going to have to make a light blue. Alright, I added in some of the neon green Makeup a Murder Poison pigment to make it a little bit more of a turquoisey greenish kind of blue. Alright, the rivers are done, so now we can go back to the trees. I'm going to do what Queen Kira did and use a domed shaped brush and my lightened purple mixture to create the flowers. Okay, I lightened it just a little bit more, so now it's super bright. I'm just going to focus this on the tops of all the flowers. Last but not least, I'm going to go mix a little red in there to really give some more color. Time for the waterfall part. I'm going to switch my shirt. I would wear white. I feel like that's more like Mother Nature's color, like light colors, but face paint and white shirts, I don't think that's a good idea. Alright, we're going to use the same blue color that we made for the river, and I'm going to paint my lips with it and drag it down. I'm really proud of this so far, actually. I gotta do the moon first. Almost forgot about good old moon. Okay, I'm just gonna take the white and do a similar size circle to the sun. We're gonna take a little bit of black paint and make a gray. And just start adding in some dimension with this. Slowly deepening it up as we go. I'm not very good at drawing the moon, but I think if I just added enough black and enough gray and enough brown, white, it'll look good. I don't know why I don't want to do the third eye until like much later, but I don't, so. Alright, so this is the general like vibe I want to give off, like the water is going like around the moon, I guess. So I'm going to take our dark green Okay, I'm going to add some details to the waterfall with some dark blues and whites. I'm also going to add some like foaming water with a makeup sponge. I'm going to tear off the end of it, or the corner of it actually. I'm bunching up the corner like this. Now I'm going to take the Neon Pink Makeup a Murder Poison pigment and really make these flowers and stuff pop. I thought we were done, I completely forgot about all this. Okay, well, I'm gonna outline the star with some yellow paint. Now I'm going to go in with various colors like purples and pinks and dark blues and blacks to really make it look like a galaxy. Alright, that is good enough for me. I'm going to take a nail dotting tool, now white, and make stars. Alright, I'm going to put a fake eyelash on my galaxy eye and the rest of my eyes. And I'll be back with the finished look. Three long hours later. the look is finally complete. It is definitely everything that I envisioned from the picture I drew up, and I'm actually really happy with this. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Please give this a thumbs up to pray for me while I edit this. I don't even know how long the footage is, but it's long. If you like this video, please subscribe for more content. Give this video a like. Comment if you like this look or if you didn't like this look. If you didn't like it, I don't care. This took so long. I like it. See you guys in the next video. Be sure to be kind to each other, keep wearing your masks, and be kind to yourself. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.